Hello everyone, this is Dr. B. Kailbili. I am from Kamaraj College of Engineering and Technology. I belong to Department of English. Now we have a topic that is pronoun. Before this topic, I have taken nearly 6 topics, one among which is error spotting. If you wish, you can watch all my videos that I have posted already. Let us watch today's. Here now I have given a smart way to avoid repetition. I hope you understand the phrase that I have given here, because now we move towards everything smart. Likewise, pronouns also, it is one among the grammar topic. Here also we are going to find some of the smart way to crack it. Let us have a next slide. Here I have given what is pronoun. A pronoun replaces noun, that we know already. Apart from it, now I have given a sample here. Meena, it represents female gender, that is why I have used she here. And the next we are having books, it is a plural form. Books is in a plural form, that is why I have used they. If it is in a singular form, very well you can use they for it. I move on to the next slide. Why do we use pronouns? There are many ways, there are many reasons to use pronoun. Here I am going to give some of the reasons. First reason is, as I told you earlier, it avoids repetition. Apart from it, it improves clarity. In order to repeat the same subject again and again, imagine I am using the word Ram here. Instead of saying Ram again and again, we can use he instead of Ram. And then no, final one is smooth writing. Learning a grammar topic will always help you to fine tune your language. That is why I have written smooth writing. Let us move on to the next slide. Here pronouns in daily usage. How do we use pronoun in a daily usage? That I am going to say here. Here this is, I have given the first sentence, this is delicious. Here I have given this as a pronoun. You know, this represents a demonstrative pronoun, and then next one you are having who is calling. Here who acts as a pronoun. Here no, it is like a interrogative pronoun I have used here. And the next one we are having we will meet tomorrow. Here we is a pronoun, that is subjective pronoun I have used. Here I have mentioned demonstrative pronoun, and then no, interrogative pronoun and a subjective pronoun I have used here. I need not go into types of pronoun, because that's a vast topic. I am not going to handle that one now. Now I move on with the simple examples, that's all. Here I move on with the next slide. Clarity with pronouns. Here I read out the first line. Saghana bought a phone. She loves it. Here she represents Saghana. Here I have used the pronoun she here. And then look at my next sample. Rahul met his trainer. They discussed the plan. Here no, we are talking about two fellows. One is Rahul, another one is trainer. That is why I have used the pronoun they here. I move on to the next slide. Here avoiding repetition. How we should avoid repetition. I have given 2 samples. How we have to avoid it. Here no, bad example I have given here. The teacher said the teacher will give the teacher's notes. Here no, as I told you earlier, Ram, in that word we repeat always no, when we use again and again. Likewise I have used here the teacher. Here teacher is the word is used in three places. In order to avoid that one, very well we can say no, she will give her notes. Instead of repeating the names or the subject again and again, we can very well use pronoun. That is why I have used, instead of teacher I have used she here. I move on to the next slide. Here I have given a clear reference. Here confusing one, we are going to see that Asha met Priya, she smiled. Here we have a doubt, who has smiled, whether Asha or Priya. Here look at the next sample of mine. Asha met Priya, Asha smiled. Now we can very well understand who has done the action with the help of next word. This is how our talk should be clear whenever we speak. I move on to the next slide. Here more sample sentences I have given. Look at my first sample, that is no, Ravi finished the report and he emailed it. Here look at it. Here he is the pronoun that I have used instead of Ravi. And then look at my next sample. The lecture was good because it was clear. Here it refers to the lecture. And then look at my next sample. I misplaced my pen. Have you seen it? Here it it acts as a objective pronoun. It refers to the first one, that is I. And then look at my next sample. Someone left their jacket. Here someone acts as a pronoun here. I move on to the next slide. Here no, look at it. Here identify pronoun. Here we are going to identify which one is the pronoun here. Here no, can you identify the pronoun in the first sentence? Ritu said she would finish. Which one is the pronoun here? Very well, you can say she. And then look at my next sample. These are the notes. Here these acts as a pronoun. Next one, nobody knew. Obviously knew is a verb, so you know the answer, that is nobody. Then look at my next sample. I will help you. Here I is also a pronoun. You also act as a pronoun. Here two pronouns I have used it. Look at the next sample. They were tired. Here no, they refer to here pronoun. I move on to the next slide. Here no, some of the pronouns no, they already told you it is a always pronoun replaces noun. Likewise here also it replaces. Look at my first sample. Meera lost Meera's card. How can we change it? Meera lost her card. Instead of writing Meera's, we can very well use the pronoun her card. And then look at my next sample. Students submitted students' work. Here students, instead of using students' work, we can very well use their work. And then look at my next sample. Laptop is slow. You can very well say my laptop is slow. Very well we can make use of it. And the next one, Rogan and I will attend. Here no, here I have used the pronoun I here. I move on to the next slide. Here exercises we have to fill up. Here I have given a gap where you have to guess the answer. Dash will meet you. You can very well fill up the pronoun I here. I will meet you. Very well, we can make use of it. And then look at my next sample. Where dash kept documents. You can very well use where have I kept my documents, or you can very well use where have you kept documents, where if you are asking anybody else. And then look at my next sample. Movie was long but dash was good. Here we can think about the first subject, that is movie. So we can very well use it was good. I move on to the next slide. Here no, we have to check the errors that is there, that are all there. Here no, Meena told Rahul they will call. Here who will call? Here Meena told Rahul that she will call. That will be the right answer. And then look at my next sample. Teacher spoke but he were not listening. Here it should be they were not listening. They here represents obviously students. We have to imagine the object there. Next one. One boy forgot their notebook. Obviously you can find out the answer. One boy forgot his notebook. And the next one. The dog wagged their tail happily. Here subject is singular. Definitely we have to use it. Its tail happily. And then the final sample I have given here is Rani and Priya said she will complete the work. Here both of them are going to complete the work. Definitely we have to say they will complete the work. I hope that this topic will help you in order to write a flawless English. Thank you so much.